What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. So in this video I'm going to do the unboxing and review of this sun visor that you can basically use inside your car to keep things organized, like your sunglasses, your card, your documents, or any form of things that you want in the car to basically at your finger reach. So you can use on your sun visor right here in the car. When you basically pull it down, you can use it and it right here. I'm just going to unbox it, show you guys basically how it looks and the compartment that has on it. They come in this neat package right here. So inside it there are two of them, one for the passenger seat, one for the driver seat, and they'll look something like this. Just gonna unbox them out now, if you guys see. So this is how it look, guys. Something like this. On the back right here, you can use this to basically strap on to your sun visor, or you see the sun blocker. So this is how it looks. So these are a compartment that is on it right here, so you can put your eyeglass on this part. So if you have any glass, you can put it up right here. You can put like your cell phone inside right here. You can put some of your documents, for example like your cards and those things, inside right here to basically reach it easily. And also we have a zip lock right here that you can basically pull. As you can see, you can store all your documents for your vehicle inside right here. Perfect. So I'm going to put it up right now on the sun visor so you guys see basically how it looks. So guys, that's how it looking right here in the ceiling, and it depends on how you want to install it. I previously installed it inside, so basically when you pull it like so, you can see the outside layer right there, or you can put it, make it stay onto this part. Get that down. Alright, being that it installed this way, you don't have to pull it out to access to your documents or anything like that. I like to install it this way in the car, so it visually seeing the sun visor right here. You can basically pull your things and get them easy access. You don't have to pull it out like this each time you want to access your documents or something like that. Or you can put it inside if you want to just hide them away so that no one sees them, but I prefer to keep it like this way, which you can be able to have access to it.